This is the Be Quiet Silent Loop 3 420mm and all-in-one liquid cooler. At the back you can see we are getting some new things here. So we have the Silent Wings 440mm fan and also a revised pump. And we have kind of a unique RGB display here as well. I'll be testing it with the Ryzen 9800X 3D. So inside the package here we do get those 340mm Silent Wings 4 fans, which are solid fans. Next we have the box that has included all the latest Intel and AMD packets here. Including we also get some liquid coolant here, which you can go ahead and fill up your radiator if needed later on. Here's the water block and tubing. So the tubing feels solid, it has flex without feeling cheap. And just checking out the measurements here for clearance. Take a look at the block here, it has a nice clean look to it. So you're not seeing like screws at the end or anything like that. And at the top here we do have the RGB lighting. The 420mm radiator is pretty massive, definitely aimed at setups that need some serious cooling. So pretty much you can throw up any CPU at this point. So once we have it installed here, you can definitely go ahead and see the subtle RGB on the top pad. It looks nice and it's not over the top, just enough to kind of tie into the rest of the build. And here is the radiator with the fans as well. Take a look at the idle temps. They're sitting around 36 Celsius with the CPU package being at 46 Celsius. Under load in Cinebench R23 here, it topped out at 82.5 Celsius. That's with all the cores going and still no really thermal issues here. Now in some 4K Fortnite gameplay at max settings, the temps hold steady and performance stays